In the shadows of aviation's bright history lie tragedies that shape the skies forever. These are the deadliest plane crashes ever recorded. Moments of horror, heartbreak, and ultimately, change. March 27, 1977. Tenerife, Canary Islands. Two Boeing 747s collide on the runway in thick fog, killing 583 people. Miscommunication and low visibility turned a routine takeoff into the deadliest aviation accident in history. August 12, 1985. Japan Airlines Flight 123 suffered rear fuselage failure, crashing into Mount Takamagahara. 520 perished in the deadliest single aircraft accident ever. In 1996, a Saudi Airlines Boeing 747 and a Kazakh Ilyushin Il-76 collided mid-air over India due to communication errors. 349 people died in one of the worst mid-air collisions ever. A faulty cargo door design caused explosive decompression on Turkish Airlines Flight 981. The plane crashed into a forest outside Paris, killing all 346 on board. May 25, 1979. An engine detached during takeoff from Chicago, leading to the fiery crash of American Airlines Flight 191. All 273 lives on board were lost. Each of these tragedies left scars, but also led to stronger safety regulations, improved technology, and global reforms in aviation. Their stories remind us that even in the skies, safety must never be taken for granted. In the quiet that follows, we're reminded how each journey through the skies carries not just passengers, but stories that shape our world. Like, share, and subscribe to AnyShorts for more real stories that change the world.